Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn with TTRS. I'm Liz and today we're going to warm up our fingers and practice how to place them correctly on the keyboard. So let's get started. First, let's get our fingers moving. We're going to start with a finger stretch. So hold your hands out in front of you, stretch your fingers as wide as you can and then relax. Do that about 3 times. And then imagine you are throwing stars and really stretch those fingers out. Next, we're going to make our fingers work a bit harder. So grab a clothes peg, and for our American viewers, a peg is a clothes pin, something like these. Use your thumb and index finger to squeeze them open. Then thumb and middle finger, then thumb and ring finger, and even try thumb and pinky fingers. Oh, definitely the hardest. This helps to strengthen each finger. The final part of our warm-up is an elastic band stretch. So place an elastic band around your fingers, then slowly stretch your hands open against the band and then close. Repeat that 5 times. And remember to do all of these activities with both hands, either one at a time or both together. Now, let's move to the keyboard. So, place your left hand fingers on A, S, D, F, and your right hand fingers go on J, K, L, and semicolon, while your thumbs hover over the spacebar. That's your home row. Now try tapping each finger gently on its key one at a time without moving your other fingers. So let's practice getting our fingers back in place. Lift your hands up and off the keyboard and now then bring them back down and find the little bumps on the F and J keys with your index fingers. They help you find your way home without looking. Try that a few times, up, away, and then back to F and J. From the home row, let's practice reaching for nearby keys. So on your left hand with the middle finger, tap D, then reach up to E, back to D and down to C. Try that 3 times. Then your left hand ring finger, start on S, reach up to W, back to S and down to Z. Right hand index finger from J, reach up to U, back to J and down to M. You'll notice I'm finding it very difficult not to move my other fingers and thumb as I'm doing it without a keyboard. Each finger has its own group of keys. Try practicing those reaches slowly to start with and then a bit faster. So here's a short drill. Tap F, then J, then F, then J. Next, try A, S, D, F with your left hand and J, K, L semicolon with your right. Keep your fingers curved and light on the keys. Give your fingers a little shake to relax them and then place them back on the home row. Feel those bumps on F and J and you'll be ready to type again. We've stretched, strengthened, and practiced finger placement on the keyboard. Keep repeating these exercises just for a few minutes every day, and your fingers will soon remember exactly where to go. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time on Learn with TTRS.